Once you have unboxed this typewriter, so over here is the button. Push it up, remove it like this. Now the carriage is completely released. This is the carriage releaser button. Left, right, left, right, left, right. These are the wings of the typewriter. It looks very beautiful once they are opened, just like this. You need to suck the page similarly like the other typewriters, like this. Pick up the scale, bring the page over here, bring the scale down, and then start writing. See, it's printing beautifully. For the uppercase letters, press this button and it will start writing. And for the shift, you can press this button or double press this button for the shift. And this is for the space bar. This is again the keys. This is for the backspace. This is for the line spacing like this, and line spacing can be done like from over here also. Make sure it's aligned from here and lock like this. Put it down just to close this typewriter. Make sure it's aligned from the both sides like this. Then the top cover will be closed easily.